Need a library book? You can place a hold on a library book and request to pick it up at the North Seattle College Library. In this tutorial, you will learn how to place a hold using the library catalog. First, find a book in the library catalog that you would like to place a hold on. Click on the book title to view the book information. Here you'll find information about the book, where it is located, and how you can get access to the book. This is where you'll place your hold. Before you are able to request the book, however, you will need to sign into the library catalog with your Seattle College's email address. Look for the yellow sign-in banner under the Get It section. Make sure to type in your full email address with the .edu ending as your username. Then type in your Seattle College's email password. Now you'll see a request link. Click on the request link and select North Seattle College Library as your pickup location. And then send request. Your hold has now been placed. To check the status of your hold, you may visit your library account in the upper right corner of the library catalog. And you will receive an email notification from the library when your book is ready for pickup. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask a librarian.